I'm Ryan Beebe with Beebe's Pest and Termite Control. I'd like to invite you to the Waterway Village Zydeco Crawfish Festival this year. We'll be boiling crawfish all day out here. This year we look to cook around 10,000 pounds. Last year was around 8,000. Every year it seems to be getting a little bit bigger in size, so we're looking forward to cooking 10,000 pounds this year. We start this process early in the morning around 4 a.m. and usually have the first drop around 10 that morning, and it just kind of continues throughout the day. Not a crawfish lover, there's other things, kid activities, local artists out here where you can buy their paintings and things like that, so a lot of things to do other than the crawfish, the art. There's bands, kid zone for the kids to come out and play. Again, this is Ryan Beebe with Beebe's Pest and Termite Control. Looking forward to seeing you guys down here in the spring for the Waterway Village Zydeco Crawfish Festival.